Trinidad. I just want to know, say, all of the people them from Trinidad who say that I disrespect Trinidad. I never disrespect Trinidad. It just, it's like you ask just that for me pork. All right. I try to eat the doubles, and then me eat the doubles that I did. That seriously I did. All the doubles people them can tell us say I did. But when we go some boom and throw the thing for the dog them not eat it. It's not a disrespect to Trinidad, none at all whatsoever. None at all whatsoever. I am greatly apologizing to all Trinidadians that live around the world that eat doubles. When we say it, it was a joke, but when only say it in a so jokeful. So I just want to know say I nah disrespect no Trinidadian, none at all, never. I will never ever do that. That Trinidad is my country. When we go, even when I have nothing to do, I just buy a ticket and go to Trinidad. Yeah, all carnival me there at Trinidad. Bravo, one of my best friends in the world. See, so you have to know these things. Where a man talk say, funny art is not really mean say him decide for hurt people. See it. All opinion you have to keep it to yourself. So I should have keep my opinion to myself. You shouldn't even put it on TV. I apologize. I really sincerely sorry about that if I hurt anybody. See it? I'm not here to offend my fans. I'm not here to offend anybody. I'm not here to offend the people that support the music. I'm not here to offend the people that support Trinidad. I am sorry. Very sorry. Very, one more very funny. Very sorry. I will never hear that again from me. I will never do that again. I will never happen again. And nothing like that will never come from my mouth but about doubles. Because them sell doubles and triples. And all the people them sell doubles from the corner and sell triples from the corner. We now mash up on the business. It's just no disrespect.